In this video, I'm going to do 4 questions from the chapter electricity, and they are taken from the textbook only. Let's begin with the first question here. In the first question, it says, how much work is to be done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference to 12 volt? So what we know here, we know we have to get the work done. W is what we have to find out. The charge, which is quantity of charge, is given here, and the potential difference is given as 12 volt. So we have a relation. What is it? W is equal to VQ. Now using this relation, what you can see, V is how much? 12 volt. And what is the quantity of charge? It's given as 2 coulomb. So W is equal to how much? 2 into 24, that is, sorry, 2 into 12, that is 24 joule. As for the first part, now if I see the next one, the question is, we have to name a device that helps maintaining a potential difference. So what we know that, let's say for example, if I make a circuit here, let's say if I make a circuit, and let's say this be the conductor here, say AB is the conductor. As you know that the charges will not flow like these are the charges. The charges will not flow from one end to another end, or maybe from B to A, unless they are connected with a source through which the source which can create a difference of potential between the terminal A and B, or the point A and B. And for that we need either a cell, so cell or a combination of a cell, that is a battery, or an electric generator, right? So these are the 3 options, or in fact it's better if you write all 3 of them. Now moving to the next question here, as you can see we are now on next question. In this question, that is this is what is meant by the potential difference between 2 volt to between 2 point is 1 volt. So let's use the formula. W is equal to VQ. Now I take 2 points, say P and Q, and we have to figure out what is 1 volt. So let's isolate V from here. So what is V is equal to? It should be W over Q. One more time, from the formula, what you get to know that W is equal to V is equal to W upon Q. So V will be 1 volt when this will be of 1 joule, when the work done is of 1 joule. 1 divided by 1 is 1, and when there is 1 coulomb of charge. So what you need to explain here is 1 volt. 1 volt is the potential difference when 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor and 1 joule of work is done. So we'll say that 1 volt is the potential difference when 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. We are on now on the one more question. It says how much energy is given out to each coulomb. That means each coulomb means we have the quantity of charge as 1 coulomb and passing through a 6 volt battery. So the voltage supply is 6 volt. Now using this W is equal to VQ, what you can say, V is how much? From here it is 6 volt, and the quantity of charge is 1 coulomb. So from here we can say W is equal to 6 joule. That's how we'll do this question. We'll come up with more question in the next video.